So, traders, as you have already saw the thumbnail and as you have already read the topic, I just want to get down into the charts and break down to you guys how you can do it the way we have done it, so it can become an even exchange type of situation. But before we start the video, like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational videos. And so far, most importantly, leave a comment on the video to let us know how you have been educated and how you're looking forward to capitalizing from the gems and the knowledge that we've just shared on this video. And so far, most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I highly recommend and trade with. And for the most part of it, COT Academy has a 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I've left all my numbers, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, and my WhatsApp link, so you can choose which do you want to communicate with me, so I can come to you and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need, so you can have a wonderful trading journey within the Forex industry. But without further ado, let me break down to you guys how we did it and how you can also do it based on the most important fundamental of Forex trading, which is understanding your market behavior. As you understand your market structure, it will be easy for you to get your market behavior. With your market behavior, it will be easy for you to understand your market patterns. Do you guys get that? So, as you guys can clearly see, we are going to be using the hourly time frame, and on the hourly time frame we're going to be working on USDCAD based on the trade that we have took the previous week, just to show you the equivalency and the legitimacy within all the gems and all the knowledge that we share to you guys. So on USDCAD, we now had already understood that price is in a bullish structure, and price is holding a bullish behavior. So a bullish structure definitely means price is looking bullish, or it's in a uptrend. And a market behavior technically means price is moving in higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So from every higher high, you need to wait for price to give you a pullback or an exhaustion phase or a formation of a higher low pattern in order for you to anticipate what possible new higher highs, right? So understanding this fundamental, you're going to understand that on USDCAD, when we show up the previous week, we now understood that price was on the lowest point of the market, and from the lowest point of the market, price gave us a push, giving us this higher high, right? So from this higher high, price had a push to the downside, giving us a higher low. From a higher low, we had a continuation push, giving us a higher high. So from a higher high, again, price pushed and gave us a higher low. In this instance, price was holding a double bottom, right? Price was technically trading in a double bottom zone with an indication of high possibility to the upside of a new higher high formation. So from price giving us this higher high, when we now can clearly break down, when I now can get within the charts to you guys so you can clearly understand the blueprint and get the picture, right? So from this higher high formation, we understood that price already gave us a higher high on our London session. So from this higher high on our London session, price had a push to the downside, giving us a higher low. So understanding that before we anticipated that price will give us a continuation, we understood that price already gave us a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a push to the downside, giving us a double bottom pattern. So from a double bottom pattern, we understood that what we're looking at currently is what happened previously, right? So from this higher high, higher low, higher high, push, higher low, giving us a double bottom. Price gave us an indication of those moves to the upside and continue to the upside. So on our current price, we had a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low, giving us the indication of a clean double bottom. So from this double bottom indication, we now understood that price is holding a bullish structure and a bullish behavior, and we're getting bullish patterns. Do you guys get that? As like I said, as you understand your market structure, it will be easy for you to get your market behavior. With your market behavior, it's easy for you to get your market patterns, right? So understanding that now price gave us a clean double bottom pattern, and from this double bottom pattern, we now had an indication that obviously from our London session all the way to our NYSE session, which is our New York Stock Exchange, right? We understood that price has a double bottom and price is in a higher low formation. if we are going to look for continuations to the downside, then can the New York session give us a close below our double bottom pattern so we can look for those moves to the downside? But if price will give us a continuation with a double bottom pattern, giving us an indication of a continuation within our bullish structure and bullish behavior, then we might somehow look forward for those continuations to the upside. So as you can clearly understand that our New York session candlestick gave us a close above with a low open and a high close, which is obviously a bear open and a flip, giving us a bullish close. We now understood when we told the team that, guys, our NYSE candlestick has closed above and has closed bullish from a bear open. Can we at least now wait for the coming candlestick to give us a trade above our NYSE candlestick with anticipations of those moves to the upside? And when you can clearly look at it, price stayed as we have anticipated, with a clean reaction above our very same zone and a close above our very same zone and a trade above our NYSE candlestick. That was all we were looking for. So if I had to repeat to you guys and make you guys understand, our structure was looking bullish, our behavior was looking bullish, and our patterns were also bullish. Breaking that down to you guys was an indication of a simple reaction from our NYSE, from our London session. Price opened with bullish, with bear momentum. So from bear momentum, we already understood that price was in a higher high. We're now looking forward for a higher low. So with a higher low, we might look forward continuations to the upside of a possible higher high. So on our London session, we understood that price is in a higher low formation. On our New York session, we understood that price is holding a possible double bottom. If price will give us an indication of continuations to the downside, then can at least the NYSE candle stay close above our double bottom with indications of what the reversal to the downside. But if price will close above, then can we at least get bullish momentum above our very same zone with anticipation of possible new higher highs? And when you clearly look at it, price played out as we have anticipated, and price did what we have anticipated. So before we end the video, I want to leave you guys with one thing. It's not based on how the market is looking. It's also based on how you react from what the market is printing out. If you can react from what the market is printing out, then you can clearly understand that with a bullish structure and bullish behavior, you look for bullish patterns. With a bear structure and a bear behavior, you look for bear patterns. And that's all that you have to focus on. Don't focus on so much shit and so much things that will get you confused and that will get you stuck within the rug. But if you're trying to escape the rug, then I guess you're going to take my number and my Instagram link and give us a DM or give us a WhatsApp or a call, so we can give you all the gems that you need for 2 days so you can have a transformed trading journey. Now, without further ado, I appreciate all the love, I appreciate all the support, and I forever am grateful for all that you're doing for us. Now, without further ado, this is your boy Handel, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.